Lovelies, just give me your ears. Stop thinking that more views, more followers equals more money. Na lie. That's a big lie. You having views, you having many followers. Please, today is 29th as I record this video. I would love you to show me your dashboard and I show you mine. I think today you're going to get annoyed. Don't get annoyed with me. Here I am. Today I was going to make my lunch. This was our dinner. It was so wonderful. But let me tell you something. Some people have millions of followers and barely earn, while others, they have small audience like me, but we make serious income. I want you to guess this figure. Let me leave you with just one digit. This figure, how much do you think I'm going to earn on 10th? I'm not your ordinary salary earner for you people who are just minding on views. Now, why do you think I earn this money? Let me give you an open secret. Me, I'm not like you, by the way. I'm not so heartless not to tell you the secrets. No. Because social media doesn't pay for views and followers. That's why you see I come here with my money open. It pays for value. Let me assure you, your niche matters. Your audience quality matters. You guys, let's talk about audience quality. Do you know you can have a bunch of views, but they are from an audience one? They don't have a profile. They don't own any market. They don't own any business. They don't own anything that the algorithm will know. That audience there's something wrong. Your content type matters. Okay, if you sit down and see on your content you have like 1,000 of views, but do you have money? Which type of content do you give? By the way, the type of reaction contents, this type of those funny content which attracts views, it doesn't attract advertisers. For few individuals who will understand me, you will know. And if you know what I'm saying, put it in the comment section. Then, most importantly, I want you to know the ability to influence your decisions. It's very important. It also matters. A page about entertainment might get millions of views. By the way, I know most of you are in entertainment, you're into Lugambo, into fighting. That one, it will get audience. It will get massive because the audience now, people, they want to see those funny, bad things. So you're bound to get a lot of views, a lot of comments. Unlike us who are educational, unlike us who are giving you something that is valuable. But a page like mine, you guys, about finance, about business or tech, it will get very few views. But the advertisers will spend real money. For us on your videos, we'll spend on reviews and modomo. So now let me tell you something. Instead of chasing for followers and those views that don't put food on your table, I want you to start building trust. Start building value. The higher and the righter audience is value and trust. Because in this game of making money, it's not about how many people watch your video. Never. It's about who watches you. Like you who is watching me, I know you are into that good class of giving money. But the person who is watching the other views it is another class. If you want, you guys, if you want to know more, I want you to go to YouTube and type there Immaculate Show. It is a teaching channel. Me, I'm not by the heartless. I want us all to earn. Hey, can't wait for 10th. By the way, how many times do I earn in a month? I earn on YouTube. I earn on